linear equations. The first form is y equals mx plus b. What is that called?
Wait, what's it called?
Slope intercept. You guys are scaring me. Slope intercept form. Do you need to sharpen? You can. You just can't use colored pencils in that one anymore. It's a little under the weather. All right, the second form, y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1 is point slope. And this one, ax plus by equals c, we started yesterday, is called standard form. There's a couple rules here. On standard form, it cannot contain fractions. We're going to say or decimals, just because that might happen, or be 0.
Isn't it also can't be negative?
And then the leading coefficient must be positive. So yes, that is another way of saying cannot be negative. Okay, so these next 4, we're going to practice converting what we're given into the other 2 forms. We're going to do this together. You're going to be fine. Okay, so we're given what? What form is this given? Point slope. So my personal plan here would be to change this first into slope intercept and then into standard, because slope intercept can easily be translated into standard. Okay, so let's write this down here. Y plus 7 equals 4 times the quantity x minus 3. How am I going to turn that into slope intercept form? What am I going to solve for? Y. I'm going to get y by itself. So I'm going to distribute the 4. So I'm going to have y plus 7 equals 4x minus 12. And then I only have one other thing to do. Subtract 7. So I have y equals 4x minus 19. So there's my slope intercept form. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to change it into standard. I'm going to probably run out of room, so let me write it over to this side here. How am I going to turn that into standard form? Kike?
Isn't it add 19 to the other side?
Not quite. Not quite. Jackson? I'm going to subtract 4x on both sides. So I'm going to have negative 4x plus y equals negative 19. But this a has to be positive. So what's our trick, Eden? Divide by everything by negative 1. So my standard form is 4x minus y equals 19. We're not going to do number 9 because it's just like number 6, so let's move down to number 7. This needs to be put into standard form. It's already in what form? Slope intercept. Okay. So y equals 4x minus 12. So I'm almost identical over here to what I just did. So what will my first step be? Subtract 4x from both sides. Negative 4x plus y equals negative 12. Divide by negative 1s. We feeling good? Clicking? Yeah? Okay. Now we're going to take standard form and put it into slope-intercept form. So I'm going to write 3x plus 4y equals 8. Remember, my goal is to get it as y equals mx plus b. We did this yesterday. So what am I going to do to the 3x? I'm going to subtract it from the left and the right. I'm going to sneak it in front of that 8. So I'm going to have 4y equals negative 3x plus 8. What's my last step? Jackson? Divide everything by 4. So I'm going to get y equals negative 3/4 x plus 2. Ta-da! Yeah? Okay. We're not going to do those other ones because it's just redundant. So what you're going to do, turn the paper over. You are going to fill in the missing 4. Yeah? Nothing terrible. You can use lined paper. Yeah, you can use the back of this and another piece of paper. I'm going to give this to you, Zoe. Just hold on to it. And then you weren't probably able to take the notes yesterday either, right? I forgot. I didn't post the notes yesterday. So you probably didn't do that. I'm going to send you all that now. And then you can practice it. Yeah, just 1 second. Okay. So if you look here on this paper, I'm sorry?
You were missing one paper.
Oh, go ahead and grab one. I'm so sorry. Next page. There you go. Okay. So you are given one of the 3 forms. Your job is to find the other 2. And then we're not going to cut and paste today. We're just going to write the letter that goes with the one you've used. Right? You can collaborate if you so desire. No. I'm creating the video right now. It's uploading to YouTube. It'll be on campus. Sure. Hey, guys, wait a second. I have more directions. Calm down, please, for a second. So, on some of these, I gave you an ordered pair. Why would I give you an ordered pair? For point slope. Okay? Determining the point slope without a point is incredibly difficult. So I'm giving you where you need a point for point slope. Okay, have fun.